The company sent me this Dubai chocolate spread to try out, and yeah, it's delicious. It has the chocolate, pistachio. This has hazelnuts in it also. You can get milk chocolate, which I think this version is, or the dark chocolate version. You can use my discount code CARABUNTON if you want to shop directly on their website and get 10% off your entire order. I'll put all that information in the description of this video. This does a really good job of mimicking the flavor of the candy bar, and the candy bars have chocolate, and then on the inside it's pistachio cream and kadaifi. I want to say that the right way, or kadaif, whichever you prefer. And that's basically like a toasted shredded phyllo dough. So when you eat this, it's creamy because of the chocolate and the it's hazelnut and pistachio cream with cocoa, and you mix it all up. But that's creamy, and then inside that is mixed in the kadaifi, which gives you a crunch. And you do have that flavor of the wafer just a little bit. So it's an interesting mouthfeel, but it's delicious. It tastes really good. You can use this for a topping on pancakes, toast, whatever you want to put it on, ice cream. I would eat it with a spoon, and that's what I was doing before. But the one thing I would say is that this is the actual size of the jar. This is the 6.3 ounce jar. You can get it in larger sizes. So check that out if you're interested in that. This is the 6.3 ounce jar. When it comes, it's in layers, and you stir it up. So there's the kadaifi, and then the cream, the nut cream, and then the chocolate. You mix it all up, and it kind of deflates everything because the kadaifi gets mixed in, and you have about up to here of the actual spread once everything is mixed in. So this is not an enormous jar, but it's very rich, and I don't, if you eat this with a spoon, which, like I said, I was doing that, I have no problem with that, but I don't think you would eat this whole jar with a spoon unless you have a really high sugar tolerance, and that's probably not a good idea. So you're going to use this as a topping. You're going to use this as a spread, or just have a spoonful, one spoonful, and save the rest. When you store this, it says to store it in a cool, dry place. You don't have to refrigerate it, but you just want to keep it someplace out of the sunlight and out of heat. So that's the basics about this. Again, you can use my discount code CARABUNTON on their website to get 10% off your whole order. And if you've never had these chocolate bars, they're really good. It's an interesting flavor because it has the nut cream on the inside, the chocolate on the outside, and the kadaifi is mixed in with the nut cream, so it gives it kind of a texture. It's really good. This mimics it very well, and you can get it in milk or dark chocolate, whichever you prefer. So check out the links in the description, and I will talk to you later.